Men's 400-meter sprint qualifying, left to right, Finland's Voito Helstin, Germany's Johan Resk and South African Gordon Day. Ralph Boston is an American track and field athlete, Olympic champion and medalist, 5-time world record holder in long jump. Australian swimmer Dawn Fraser and Israeli swimmer Amiram Trauber. Opening of the Olympic Games in Rome, the flag is carried by Rafer Johnson, an American track and field athlete. Dutch athletes Grietje Ludthart and Thea Dupont. American gymnast Doris Fuchs and Soviet boxer Boris Nikonarov at the Rome Olympics. Swimmers Japanese Katsuki Ishihara and American Lance Larson. Bermuda at the Rome Games opening ceremony. John Comrades is an Australian swimmer. Russian basketball player Janis Krumins is the best player of the Olympic Games in Rome, in the canteen. Penny Lanasvuo achieved silver of 25M rapid-fire pistol in Rome Olympics, 1960. Fencing at the 17 Summer Olympic Games.